JSW Steel Joint MD and CFO Sheshagri Rao commended the Supreme Court's judgment on mining in Karnataka. He assured that the additional mining would boost supply of iron ore for the steel industry. Let's hear out.
No, it is a very good development. We welcome the judgment of Honorable Supreme Court. So in fact, the steel industry in the Karanataka region has been suffering for lack of iron ore for last several months. So earlier category A, certain category A mines were opened, and now the balance category A plus category B now permitted to be resuming operations. So we expect in the next 6 months' time these mines will start operations, and then there will be adequate iron ore for the steel industry in the region. That is what we expect to happen.
When do you expect the plant to start operations, the Karnataka plant?
Karnataka has been operating. It is operating at around 75 to 80% capacity. Now the stocks which were getting auctioned, they almost got exhausted. So new iron ore has to come into the market in order to sustain the steel operations even at the current level. So this opening of category A and category B will enable to get new iron ore supplies into the market.
By when do we expect it to reach the plant?
No, category A is concerned, already 9 mines are operating. Another 2 mines are expected to be operational in the next few weeks. Then the balance category A and the category B, we expect before September of this year, they should get opened up. So all this together will bring more iron ore into the market.
What is your production target for the Karnataka plant this year?
We are hopeful that we will be able to continue to operate at around 80% capacity utilization.
In terms of output, do you have a target in mind?
Targets we will give you when our board meeting is scheduled in the next month. But last year we have produced 8.51 million tons. That is what we did in the last year.
So iron ore exports have declined significantly, and there is apparently a proposal to ban them further, in the sense that they want to keep the iron ore for all the steel plants that are coming up in this country in the coming years. Is that a feasible proposal? What is your outlook on iron ore exports from the country?
No, it is not the development only in India. If you see wherever mineral resources are there, where domestic demand is available, so those countries are preserving the resource only for domestic production and domestic consumption. This is what Indonesia has been doing. Similarly, several African countries today, where mineral resources are there, they are saying they have to set up the factories only in those countries. Thereby, value addition can happen there only. If so, India being a very big country and very large population, domestic demand is very robust and strong. It doesn't make sense to produce and export any mineral, including iron ore. So therefore, I think we have to preserve and give it to the companies which are doing value addition within India. So I think that will greatly help the industry to do better, and also to make more investment and to create more employment for our people.
What is your outlook on the steel prices? Where is the trend headed? What does it look like? Will you be hiking prices anytime soon?
As far as steel prices are concerned, we are doing domestic pricing based on landed cost of imports. So internationally, we are seeing some weakness in the steel prices. So they are coming down based on external economy, which is not doing well right now. But at the same time, iron ore prices have not come down. It is stable. Coal prices slightly corrected. So based on the raw material pricing and also rupee-dollar parity and the international prices, all three together, we will take a call on the domestic price.
When do we expect a decision on this?
Generally, we do every month. So the first week of May, we will take a call.
So is it fair to expect a price cut in the first week of May?
It depends majorly on the international price. But international prices we are seeing, as I mentioned to you, as slight weakness in the international markets.